good, YouTube? It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. And we back with another one, baby. Know what we do. You know what I'm saying? First off, before we start anything, shout out to the Flu gang, man. We made 200 subscribers. Giveaway coming soon, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like this video, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna keep this fire coming at you, man. And don't be a stranger. Comment down below, man. Let me know how y'all feeling, man. But without further ado, we're about to get into it. Yeezy 500 Utility Black review. Let's get it.
Alright, it's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer, man. It's Black Rat 500 Day. And we out here at the ADIDAS store. Wicker Park, you already know how it go. People chilling, knocked out. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, camos on the feet. Usual suspects. And as you can see, this thing goes all the way to the fucking back. Got the real sneakerheads out here. This happens. It's got
half
Austin.
of these people ain't sneakerheads. Don't let them lie to you now.
Your sneakerhead friends right
Sneakerhead
here.
reseller?
Nah, your sneakerhead friends right here.
Jesus, man.
Hey, that's
Hey,
bro. You gotta come up. We reselling this bitch. Oh, hey.
Oh, okay, Sewell. Okay. Hey, I'm from LA.
Where you from?
Don't kill me, man. I fuck with y'all.
Resellers are us, motherfucker.
Hey, what you heard? I'm just out here for the personal, okay? Just for the personal. I'm not a reseller.
I'm grabbing my pair too. You already know what we're doing.
Personal pair.
Straight to the feet.
Yeah, straight to the feet.
Yeah.
Yeah, work. I can't wait to see it.
Right away? Alright, we got a right away game.
I work. Straight
Right
to the
away,
feet.
gang.
Oh, he not sure.
I ain't even wearing shoes.
He don't know nothing.
I ain't
He like,
wearing
fuck
shoes.
all that.
I got on my strawberry socks.
As soon as we see what StockX talking about, you know what I'm saying? We'll make that decision.
Once we do the loop, what's up?
The loop? Oh yeah,
Give me the
loop
loop,
gang.
give me the loop.
Hey man, these are my favorite colorway out the whole, you dig?
I don't even know if we can really call black a colorway.
Yeah.
We can?
Yes we can. We can call black
It's
the
my
colorway.
favorite too, then.
It's the favorite, man. We gonna like my favorite, like the
Actually, I want
500.
that purple. If that purple really dropping, I want that purple.
That's what Nate, said. But shit, for these 500s are comfortable as shit. This is my favorite Yeezy to actually wear.
Mine too.
And I got like all the, I've had every model from the regular 350s to the V2s, 750s. This is my favorite Yeezy to actually wear. I mean, it's comfortable and it's just like, shit, I don't need no socks. You just throw them motherfuckers on, they good. You know what I'm saying?
My 350s, I feel like, you know what I'm saying, like, your slides, like your foot can hang off a little bit or something, depending on when you move and how you move.
These are like gym shoes.
Yes.
They feel
then
like
rub on the side, keep your foot in place.
secure.
I feel like my shit is in a strap jacket, but it don't feel like the uncomfortable type.
Yeah. These are literally like you can wear these like house shoes.
I'm in that comfortable straight jacket with them bad boys.
And because we got the wristband game.
Because they gonna have more when they come in, but I guess they probably gave them, I hope, like 50.
Yeah, you was like, shit, did Jordan Nike ain't, giving y'all shit?
Man, you'll wait outside in any of these stores. They ain't gonna care if y'all got water. They ain't gonna care if y'all hot. If y'all pass out.
Right.
We on the phones like, man, this kid about to pass out. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Man, give him some help. Ooh, like,
Adidas showing you that love, man. Adidas.
they also don't treat us bad. So it's easier to work for a brand that don't treat you. There's a lot of people that leave Nike. They come play ball over there.
Shit, y'all playing ball. Gotta play ball.
Out here, just straight to the toe. Just came out here. You see him with the drip 700s off.
Oh my gosh, straight to the feet. Oh.
I like that. I like that.
Yeah.
I like your Jordans better.
You like the Jordans better?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll be honest with you.
Yeah.
These things are pretty sweet. Yo, so we gonna switch it up a little bit today, man. Give y'all a quick review. You know what I'm saying? We got the Yeezy 500, as we said, and that black, light graphite
colorway, man. Now these are not necessarily black. You can see, you know, these are a bit more of a like a purplish gray, man. You know what I'm saying? Be all the same thing, same quality suede. You know, the different shade of gray in the leather panels right here. Got the suede on these, on the circular, you know, kind of, you know, lace, you know, tie areas right there. The thing that I do like about these though, you know, is instead of just having like on the blushes and the regular and the supermoon yellows, you know, you're gonna have the 3M piping going around, you know, this area right here. But on this pair, you also gonna have that 3M piping going around this and this part right here, which I thought was a very dope touch, man. These are probably gonna be the most wearable colorway of these things that you've had yet, which I think is pretty dope, man. You know what I'm saying? I am kind of sad though. You know, I really wish that Ye could have gave us an actual like black Yeezy. I mean, so far with Adidas, so far we've only had two, which were the black 750s, which please Yeezy come back with those. We definitely need some more of those in the streets. And also the triple black 350 V2s that he dropped, man. I thought these were gonna be a little bit, you know, more of just a triple black colorway, but then that core black, you know, more of that gray. You know, if you have the Calabasas, the core black Calabasas, you know, it's the same color that you got on that. When you got those, you know, that's like more of a charcoal gray than an actual black, man. But, you know, I'm definitely rocking with the shoe. I'm loving the shoe. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. Let's get to the on feet.
Pop me, drop that beat.
Yeah. Fun. Yeah. You know what the fuck going on, man? Yeah. Ay. I told him, fuck Rush. You ain't shit. You a bitch, diamond wrist. Peep the drip. Water whip, plain Jane. No Musain. Shawty wanna give me brain. Cause the fame. Yeah. I'm coming live and direct. I got you niggas upset. Hopping out the private jet, got your bitch wet. Snake on my belt looking like a new pet. Cut my ex off, need a new thing. Caught a new chain in the pink rain. Southwest Airline, that's a plain Jane. I just dropped the bag at the blue flame. I want the new Ferrari. I want a plain Jane.
He dead down. I was like jet now. We don't play radio. Don't match flicks now. I just got a new farm. About to go party vet now. And I got the dogs with me. Yeah, better call the vet now. I want some inside head now. About to call my bitch now. I got a Harley bitch now. About to panic T-Rex now. I do the whip, no X now. I got chips and Vicks now. I'm about to Luke can't kick it now. I'm about to try with the shit now. Real big tongue on my kicks, walk. Baby, put your tongue on my dick, walk. I put ice on my kids, walk. I put red in my dress, walk. Hey, go.
She a little fish, she'll bust it. Diamonds real cold like Russia. Told a little bit, don't touch. Young Rick came up from nothing, want the new Ferrari. I want a plain Jane. I want the presidential roller. She want the whole game. She a little fish, she'll bust it. Diamonds real cold like Russia. Told a little bit, don't touch. Young Rick came up from nothing.
Alright, man, so, hey, that's the review. I hope y'all like that on feet, man. You know what I'm saying? We about to go on the blitz. I got a lot of content, a lot of videos, man. I need to get out to y'all. My bad, the hiatus, you know, things been going on, but you know I love y'all. We gonna get back to what we need to be, man. Thank y'all for staying down. Thank the subscribers, you know what I'm saying, for staying with the channel. We growing, baby. We gonna make it do what it do, man. But as always, it's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. Wait, hold on, 1 minute. You already know how we rockin', baby. Gang.